Hey guys, good morning. I am Nicole Delvano and welcome to my video. So today I am going to be testing out some brand new drugstore releases. I was perusing the aisles at the store the other day and I noticed that there were a lot of drugstore new releases. So I picked up 3 new items that I thought looked interesting, and I'm going to try them on with you guys, do a first impressions, and then I'm going to wear them throughout the day. I'm going to do some check-ins, and at the end of the day, I'm going to give you my final thought. You know, I wanted to wear them, really see how they actually perform throughout the day. Okay, so the 3 products that I wanted to test were the Burts Beeswax, the Goodness Glows Liquid Foundation. Now, I love the Burts Beeswax chapsticks. I have such dry skin, and I mean, the chapsticks have been my saving grace. I would keep one in my purse, in the car, by my bedside. I think I had a chapstick for every room in the house. I also like their lipsticks. I thought they were really good, so I thought, let's give it a go. I really like the dewy look. I really like the natural skin look, and this is supposed to give you a nice, radiant finish. It's supposed to be 98.9% natural. Interesting. It's supposed to be full coverage, evens and smooth skin for a radiant, natural looking finish, made with reasonably sourced meadow foam seed oil. I can't talk today. And I guess that's known for its moisturizing benefits. And it gives you beautiful results inside and out. So I'm also going to be testing out the new Loreal Voluminous XFiber Mascara. Now, I don't really like fiber mascaras. I wear contacts, and a lot of the times the fibers tend to flake off and get into my eye, and then it just causes a complete disaster. But I was like, let's give it a go. L'Oreal has been killing it in the game. I love, where is it? I have it over here. The Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is like my holy grail mascara. I mean, I love it. I don't use any other one. And then the next thing I'm going to be testing is the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. Okay, I've got everything ready in front of me, so let's go. All right, guys, so I'm going to first prime my face, and I'm going to use just any primer that you have is fine. I'm going to use a normal primer. It's the J.One Jelly Pack primer. I usually use this one, and when I'm testing foundations, I like to stay consistent with the primer that I use. So I'm in the color 1025 Natural Beige. I hope it matches. You can't really test out in the drugstore. Okay. And I'm going to be using my Beauty Blender. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to pat it on my face. I mean, so far it feels nice, has a nice creamy. It's looking to be a little bit more medium coverage. I have a blemish up here, and it didn't seem to cover that too much. You can still see the redness peeking through, and you can also see I have freckles. Yes, I have natural freckles. I don't need to do the dot. But I don't think the claim of full coverage is quite accurate, but I'm okay with that. I mean, other people might not be. Some people are very full coverage. So I'm going to try to add just a few more. I want a little bit more coverage, see if we can build on it. But it blends out nicely. I mean, very easy to blend out. But you can see, like, it's got a nice natural dewiness to it. You can see a nice little sheen going on there. But yeah, I mean, I'm complaining, but we'll also see how this wears throughout the day. We're going to see how it mixes with concealer. All right, so I'm going to kind of stick with the drugstore theme today. I'm going to go in with my Catrice Cosmetics Liquid Camouflage, and I'm in the color Light Beige. So I'm just going to pop a little bit on each side here. Put a little bit down my nose, just kind of in areas where I want to highlight. Boop, 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 boop. Okay guys, so I'm done blending everything out and I don't see any breaking apart of the foundation. I think it blended well together. So yeah, so far, looks like we're doing good. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera and I'm going to set my face and finish the rest of my makeup because I don't have any other new products except mascara and the eyebrow pencil. So I will be back in a jiffy. Okay guys, slight snafu. The video stopped recording while I was doing this eye. And I don't have it because I didn't realize that it stopped recording. Okay, so it's all right. I didn't do this eye, but as you can see, this eye is done and this eye is not done. So it did provide a lot more volume on this side. So I'm going to show you how I did this eye. Since it does not claim to be a curling mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes. So we're going to put the primer on, step 1, and it has a step 1 and a step 2 on the side, so it's really easy to follow if you can count to 2. And so you just put it on. A lot of length. Ah, the black dot of death. Ah, I hate them. I hate them. Okay, step 1 is done. Step 2 is next. Now, I don't know if I showed you guys this brush, but this is what the primer brush looks like. Normal brush. And this is the mascara side brush. Okay, so I don't really like these brushes. I always have issues with them, but you'll see. You'll see the magic. We do believe in magic, and I know you do. I mean, I think there's definitely a difference. All right guys, so let's see throughout the day if the lashes flake, if you know, the volume doesn't hold up, whatever, you know, we will see. All right, so last but not least is the Total Temptation Brow Definer. This is supposed to fill in and shape your eyebrows. It's supposed to precisely define, and then it also features a fluffy eyebrow spoolie brush to softly blend for a natural finish. So the first thing I'm noticing is this is the tiniest spoolie. Put it right next to, you see, what? Tiny, very tiny, compared to my Anastasia one. I mean, you know, but hey, we'll give it a go. I mean, you just need to get the job done, right? Doesn't matter how big or small. So as you can see, I don't really need too much. I like the shape, I just need to fill in some sparse areas. So I might get a little weird and disjointed when I do my eyebrows, but just bear with me. I mean, I think they filled in what I need to fill in. I think it's a good match. I think the formula is really good. I think we got a winner here. Okay. So guys, I'm going to go throughout my day and I'm going to wear these products. I'm going to see how the foundation holds up and how long it lasts. It is 11:45 a.m. So as I go throughout my day, I'm going to try to do some quick check-ins just to kind of show you what's going on. And then at the end of the day, when I'm all settled, I am going to do my final thoughts to let you guys know, are these products worth it? What do I think of them? Will I be using them again? Who knows? Okay, so I will catch up with you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, it is my 3 o'clock check-in and it's not going as planned today. I thought we were gonna have a nice little family gathering outside, but we have a blocked sewage pipe and my husband read somewhere how to fix it, so now he thinks he's a plumber. So I'm out here for 3 hours trying to help him. And we're still going. So I just wanted to do a quick check-in, talk about the foundation and the other products. And so far the foundation is still looking good. I mean, I have no gathering. I mean, the powder's still holding on, like my bronzer and stuff. So I think it looks nice. Same with the eyebrows. Love it. And mascara's not too bad. I had a little bit of flaking before, but other than that, I mean, still looks good. Be interesting to see how it holds up after we fist fight. I just want to call a plumber. But anyway, all right, I will check in with you guys at the end of the day and let you know how everything went. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. It is now 6:55 p.m. It is way past my bedtime. I'm trying to be a little bit quiet. My daughter actually just went to sleep and I don't want her to wake up. After the day I've had, I just kind of go into the good stuff. I'm going to talk about the makeup. So first off, the Burts Beeswax foundation. This face has been through hell and back today. I mean, I've had water splashed in it, sweat, I mean, you name it. I mean, you can see that it has started to wear off. I mean, up here I'm starting to see more shine, especially here and here, and it started to break up right in this area and around my nose. But I mean, considering the circumstances, it actually held out quite well. I'll definitely be reaching for this in the future. I think this is going to be my go-to drugstore foundation. Next, the mascara. Now, I'm a little picky when it comes to mascaras. I really like my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I think for a drugstore mascara, it works great. It provides like these great fluttery, like flirty bedroom eye type lashes, and I do think this is a great product. I think it does what it's supposed to do, what it claims to do. So yeah. Next is the Total Temptation. This, guys. It was great. I loved it. I loved it. Anastasia Brow Definer has been my go-to for 2 or 3 years now. But this is, I think this has definitely taken its place. I love the finish. I love how easily it went on. The color was great, the wear was great, and I think everything about it was just really good. So yeah. So that's it. Those are all the products that I tested today. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to take a shower because I just sat down right now for the first time and I just want to, you know, get everything off me, relax, watch a movie, finish my wine, and just veg out. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And leave any comments below on what you want me to test, and I will test it. And yeah. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I was at this. In the future, and also no.